Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 鶏とじゃがいものバター醤油炒め. It's such a simple dish. Sauteed chicken and potato seasoned with soy sauce and butter. Super easy to make, but delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with the dish, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 to 4 potatoes, depending on the size. 600 grams of chicken. I'm using tenderloin, but you can use any part you like. Some salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin and butter. Let's prepare the potatoes first. I'm going to use it with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's cut it into wedges. Put it in a bowl that you can microwave. Same for the other potatoes. Put some water. And drain to rinse off the starch on the surface. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 10 minutes, and the toothpick can easily go through. Now, let's cut the chicken. I want to remove this tendon, so prepare fork and paper towel. Put tendon like this. Grab it with paper towel and pull. And you can easily remove it like this. Then cut it into bite-sized pieces. Let's put some salt and pepper. Heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's saute the chicken. The heat is medium to medium-high. Once the chicken is half cooked, add potatoes. You want to create nice crust on the potato, so try not to touch it too much. When you start to see nice brown like this here and there, kill the heat and add the seasonings. Mirin, soy sauce, and butter. Give it a mix. Then turn the heat back on and cook for a minute over medium heat. Okay, turn off the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. If you have, finish it up with some minced parsley or dried parsley. And 鶏とじゃがいものバター醤油炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's just chicken and potato, but the combination of soy sauce and butter adds so much flavor to it, and it's absolutely amazing. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とじゃがいものバター醤油炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and wakame soup or any soup you like here. Whatever you like for the side dishes. But how about spinach and egg stir fry for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!